Go get it, please. There's no way I'm not going anywhere. The only thing I like about it is I have some confidence that she's not going to fall.
Yeah.
But that's it. That's where it ends.
Falling. Oh. Come here, Spin.
Okay, so when I look at her from a distance, I don't think it should go any higher. Because then he's not.
You're fine. Go play with the
Why
dog.
does this happen if she just goes backwards?
I don't know.
I've had the chest strap adjusted different ways, but then I thought, well, maybe the chest strap, the belly strap shouldn't be on, or it should be really loose. And this is back where it was. You know, I don't know if she's uncomfortable because she is really supporting, this is really supporting a lot of her weight. But I don't know if that's it or not. You know, is it that it's pushing her up too high? Yep. If I get her out from the wall, I just do it from the side. My father, who's not necessarily a usual person, was pretty good helping me. Whenever she would do something cool, then he'd be excited about helping.
Come here, Spin. Come on, Spin.
But, you know, my father was also pointing out something. She has her feet really splayed, and he's the one who said, well, don't you think that means she's nervous? You know, she's scared, so she's better.
She's, yeah, bigger support area. Come here, Spin.
So you don't think that's Come on. Semi-traumatic skill drop.
She's bracing and trying to walk at the same time.
Her front end. She's afraid she's going to fall forward.
Yeah.